In a scale drawing of a rectangular garden, the length is 15 inches and the width is 9 inches. In the drawing, 2 inches represents 3 yards. What is the width of the actual garden in yards? Why don't we get a little drawing of what's going on here? So it's a rectangular garden. They tell us the length is 15 inches and the width is 9. So I'm going to make the length this side. It doesn't really matter which way we orient a rectangle. The width is 9 inches. Now the question is, what is the width of the actual garden in yards? Well, let's take this information into account. In the drawing, 2 inches represents 3 yards. So I'll write that like this. Inches on the drawing to the yards that they represent will be a 2 to 3 ratio. We have a width of 9 inches on this drawing. We want to know how many yards does that represent. And there's a couple of different ways we could go here. I mean, I have all the information I need on the left and everything I need on top. It's really just a matter of preference. I'm going to look at this 2 and say, okay, that was multiplied by 1.5 to get 3. So if I do the same thing to 9, I should know how many yards that is. So let's see, what is 9 times 1.5? I'm going to do 1.5 times 9. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 1 plus 4 is 13. And there's 1 digit behind a decimal point here, so the decimal point goes there. And the answer is 13.5 yards. We enter it like this. The decimal point gets its own column. And we bubble in each appropriate number, or in this case, decimal point. And that's it.